Hey everybody, what's up? Currently we are on light energy chapter, and in this chapter we will learn about mirrors and images formed by the mirrors. So there are two types of mirror which we are going to learn in this chapter, plane mirror and spherical mirror. So in this video I have used two plane mirrors. Okay, as you can see, two plane mirrors are there, and with the help of sellotape I have connected these two plane mirrors, and I have kept one chalk in between the mirrors. Now uh, you can see two images. Okay, two reflections are there in the mirror. Now if I decrease the angle between the mirrors, the number of images will keep on increasing. Okay, so let me show you that. Let me decrease the angle slowly between these two mirrors and see the number of the number of images will increase. Okay, so slowly. Yeah, okay, I'm decreasing the angle. Okay, now as you can see, two more images are there. So total 1 2 3 4 images are there, right? Now let me decrease the angle further. Okay, slowly, and the oops, well, yeah, two more chalks are there, two more images. It means if you decrease the angle between these two mirrors, the number of images will keep on increasing. So let me decrease the angle further, and like I said, the images will increase, the number of images will increase. So slowly, yeah, so total how many are there right now? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 images, right? Okay, so if we keep on decreasing the angle between the mirror, okay, so number of images will keep on increasing. So it means if the angle between two mirrors is 0, if they are parallel, then between the parallel mirrors, if you keep any object, the infinite images will form. So the bottom line is number of images formed between two mirrors kept at some angle, okay, depends upon the angle between the mirrors. So that if the angle is less, images will be more. So let me decrease the angle, increase the angle now. Okay, the number of images will keep on decreasing. 4, and so right now the angle between these two mirror is 90. Okay, so at 90 degree, how many images do you see? 1 2 3. Okay, so at 90 degree the number of images are 3. Now there is a formula. During the lecture I will explain it in detail. This activity is all about the number of images formed between the mirrors. Okay, let me, yeah, okay, that's it. During the lecture I will explain in detail, and there is a formula. This is just a beginning, there is more in this. So during the lecture we will use that formula, and we will calculate the number of images between given pair of mirrors at particular angle. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you very much.